Some of them still there for front, some of the Ogbunigwe still there for front. We conquered it. This is the security of Osu Itokwa. This is Osu security. Usama no dey. Nothing happened. Nothing. In the back one, I fear by no get out no that I know. My man of my by no. Oh na Zuben Potomac I know. No go front much. No go front much. No go front much. Na Zuben Potomac I know. One na fear very well.
Man, the banyo but they never see the one. Once peaceful.
Biafra Libration. Go the entire generation.
It's now. It's now.
We have come to return peace back in Osu Itokwa. Whether the bandit they like it or not, there must be peace in Osu Itokwa. Osu ya leka obodo ọzọ. Nke ya dị iche.
Things are happening. Obodo ya abuala.
Soda. Another soldiers. Our security agencies are in the front. Osu Itokwa security are in the front. Who say man no day? Man day woto. Who from Ogbunigwe abota na keta? Iya Ogbunigwe dey ya. Iya ni hu be boya dey ya. Ni hu be opio ha. Eba gesi bupto Ogbunigwe keta. So nka uzo se jebe 10-10 dey ya. Nka uzo se jebe 10-10. Nka boda bebe ayaka. Onu from Ogbunigwe, o from nnukwu Ogbunigwe bubutere. Oh, was that new? About 3 or 4 can you to go to Gumbo side the buyer can. Come for the Ogbunigwe. Too heavy. Can't without more tank to 3 years. One mafia. Yando na funa Ogbunigwe. All security of Osu Itokwa recovery with the help of Ndamekwa. Ogbunigwe is here no.
Ogbunigwe carry for the now because what channel will be a full drop album comment section.
Una for my battery. Una for my battery. To just connect to the Ogbunigwe. Una for the Ogbunigwe. Ogbunigwe da bo muta motan. All security of Osu Itokwa recovery.
And the buyer can munu nkonye si nyajalo maka na si agụye ụzọ agụye ọnụ agụyekwa n'ọnụ nyabu ụzọ yelo ekene munu. Welcome back to this wonderful channel where we'll bring you back to back update and information. You have seen that video. That thing is the video you saw. You have already had the location. It happened in Ihitokwa. That's awesome. Where the NIG army to them have believed, and the joint security task force with the security of that village who came together and say that they are pursuing the members of indigenous people of Biafra, the Eastern Security Network to be precise. When I do, that's not even the point. I have some of my observation. Some of you on this channel, some usually kick against my observation or the way I narrate things, but that wouldn't stop me from picking the point and saying the truth, because what we are here is to disseminate information and also to digest it together. Looking at the look of things, I was looking at those Ogbunigwes, the batteries and everything. And some of those things, I don't even understand it because I have not seen Ogbunigwe before. But if we try to define what is Ogbunigwe in English, is bomb, literally. Except Ogbunigwe is another form. But what I saw there is this thing, gas, LPG gas, caught the pan that was caught, and other some things that were tied with waterproof that we don't know what is inside. They also showed us some that was dug out from the hole. but they did not show us when they were digging that hole to dug out that Ogbunigwe. They will just show us a dug hole and something that was wrapped in a big waterproof that to them that was considered to be the Ogbunigwe, and other old scrapped iron that you saw on that video. So man Ajo, is this how Ogbunigwe is? Or is it that these security men are just trying to create tension? I don't know, to just show that they are doing work, or to just show that somehow some things are happening. You know, something like that. Some of these things we are already used to it in this Nigeria. Of course, we heard what Sowore said the other day, that the insecurity in the southeastern part of Nigeria, the politicians are happy about it because it helps them to perpetrate their evil, canvass for election, and win. Because no, in some of these villages that are supposed to be recorded, the indigenes that are living there, they have run out because of insecurity. And remember that a river does not pass through the forest without bringing down trees. You should know that a river doesn't pass through the forest without bringing down trees. And as looking at the look of things and development of things, you and I will agree that there is some things that are going on there, because they are just shouting. We did not even see who they are combating with. It's just them and them alone, including the Nigerian armies. They are showing us Ogbunigwe and the rest of them, the batteries. They are used to blow them and the rest of them. And myself, I was surprised. Man, I see ihe otu Ogbunigwe ọhụụ anyị na-anụ dị. Ịghọtala that kind of thing, because uche onye adịkwanụ na ya njọ ndị be anyị, maka na ihe anọ na ya bụ ọchịchị onye kwuo uche ya. Maka na mụ na onwe m bụ mmadụ, aga m ekwu uche m. Meanwhile, before that, another information just dropped that Ekpa's arrest and insecurity in the southeastern part of Nigeria, there are forecasters, should I call them insecurity or security forecasters, are forecasted that the arrest of Mazi Simon Ekpa is going to cost more insecurity in the southeastern part of Nigeria. That those who arrested Ekpa with the thought that the insecurity, they are going to quell the insecurity in the southeastern part of Nigeria. There are some people who are giving information that this is even going to bring an increment in the insecurity status of the southern eastern part of Nigeria. And I wonder how these politicians enjoy this issue of insecurity, knowing fully well that the first work of a governor, president, is to protect life and property. But the age we have found ourselves is the age of greediness. A businessman who has done business over the years, made his money, say want to get into politics to pack political money. And if you ask me what they are doing with that money, I don't know. And it's not even that their vision or ambition is to make sure that they bring development in the society. That's not their mission. Their mission is to embezzle the money. The other information, one prominent Igbo son like that have written an open letter to Ndi Igbo on the matter of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. No be today we don't hear that one. A lot of people have been writing letter. Let me tell you, these politicians know what they are doing, especially the politicians in the southeastern part of Nigeria. I was not the one who said it. A Yoruba man mentioned it. These people know what they are doing. Whenever it is time for election, you see them. Election is coming again 2027. You will see them. They are now keeping Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as their dog, the dog they use to achieve their foolish political aim. Yes, because I have not seen these politicians doing any good work. Some of them will come the first tenor, they will do good work, like just what is happening in Abia State. A lot of work are going on in Abia State. Let's see whether it is going to continue in the second tenor. Another thing we need to look out for is the quality of the work that is being done in Abia. Because we need to look at the quality and see if these people are actually giving the masses the best quality, or just to do some of these things in order to make names for themselves. In case you want to support our channel, support the good work we are doing, please kindly write me on the comment section. Tell me that you want to support our good work. I will gladly give you a channel through which you can support us. December is reaching. Maka na ndị be anyị si na ogbu opi na ya bụ onye na-efichakwa n'imi. Na ife nwata ji ebe nwata na-ebe akwa alụ aka na ọ bụ na nne ya nọrọ ya na nne ya anọkwana ya. Maka na ife eji esoro anya afọ ukwu bụ na ọ bụ na ọ mere gịnị, na ọ bụ na ọ nyụrụ anyụ na ya bụ onye ya agbakwa na agbọ. Ndị malụgo na nwata na-eso okenye na ọ bụ na ya bụ nwata atala ose, ya bụ nwata ata nzu. Ọ bụrụ m ndị ekene m unu ndị Igbo mụ na fajibiri kene unu ndị nọ na diaspora, kene unu ndị nọ n'obodo Biafra, kene unu ndị nọ n'obodo niile, ndị nọ n'obodo Nigeria, kene unu ndị nọ n'Europe, ndị nọ na America, ndị nọ n'Asia, ndị nọ na South America, ndị nọ na North America. Ndị be anyị kwuru okwu si na ebe ọbụla ị galụ n'obodo na ọ bụla ịfụrụ onye Igbo na ya bụ ebe na gị ka bakwa arụ pịacha ngwongwo ka ị chọba ụzọ na maka na ndị Igbo na-enyopụta ebe obodo dị mma. Ịgagodu na United Arab Emirates, ha nọkwa di ya. Ị gakwa na Chad, ha nọkwa di ya. Ị gaa na Panya, ha nọkwa di ya. Onwe ka isi gbabakwa ba na Palestine, ha nọkwa di ya. Ịbakwa na Israel, ha nọkwa di ya. Ịjakwa Bahamas, ị ga-ahụkwakwa di ya. Na Amsterdam ha juru eju. Ị gazia na Portugal, ụmụnna ya juru di ya. Ekene m unu ndị Igbo wee sị na ebe aka nga na-adọbiri na nke ụbọchị taa wee sị ka ụbọchị taa mara anyị mma, ka anya bụ chifuru unu fotela anyị fọma. Maka na chifolu afọ na ya bụ chi ya emechakwa fụọ nkwọ, fụọ orie, fụkwa eke. Mgbanụ ka ọ dịbazianụ.